Track 2.26, Unit 7, Vocabulary and Listening. Exercises 3 and 4.
Hello, and welcome to Book World. Today I'm talking to Leo Burnett. He's an expert on the author Berdebek Sokpak-Baev. Leo, welcome to the show. So where was Berdebek born?
He was born in 1924 in the Almaty region of Kazakhstan.
And what was his childhood like? Was it happy?
No, he had a difficult childhood. His family was poor, and sometimes there wasn't enough money for food. Berdebek worked when he was young to help his family. But then his mother died when he was still quite young. That was worse than anything else. It was really hard for him.
What about when he left school? What jobs did he do?
After leaving school, he first joined the army for a few years. When he left the army, he moved to Moscow. He trained to become a teacher there, and he taught in Moscow for a few years. He wasn't a teacher all his life, though. Later, he worked for a film studio and also for a newspaper.
Now tell us about his writing. How many books did he write?
He wrote about 20 books, all for children and teenagers. My Name is Kozha is very popular. It's probably better known than the others. It first appeared in 1957. It wasn't his first book, but most people agree that it's very good. It isn't very long, but it's very funny and quite moving sometimes too. A lot of young people still enjoy reading it today.
And have you read all his books?
No, I haven't, but I've read a lot of them. I want to read all the others too.
And what was his big success?
Oh, that was definitely My Name is Kozha. The book has become popular around the world. It has appeared in many other languages, including English and French, and it has also become a film. In 1967, it was one of the films at the Cannes Children's Film Festival in France, and it won an award. That was definitely Berdebek's big success.